So we're going to be sipping and unboxing and seeing what's in the bag. Okay. Okay, y'all, I have some really cute, vibrant pieces. Very cute. So I am sipping on my water. Y'all know I drink my water. So how is everyone doing on this beautiful Sunday? So before we get started, let's do a recap of the day. So no, me and Coco, we did not go to the dog park. No, we did not go to the gym. We did go to the doggy park. And after we went to the doggy park, we went to Sonny's. Y'all have to go and watch my video. I did a live, okay, at Sonny's. They have 3 new sandwiches, and so I had to go and try one. So y'all check out my latest video and see which one I tried. And if y'all haven't been to Sonny's and tried their new sandwiches that they have for the summer, you need to go check them out. So after that, well, let me back it up. Before that, after we left the doggy park, guess what? I had to go back to Petco because Coco and I was playing fetch yesterday. And when I threw her toy, you know, we playing fetch, and the wind blew it on, it just went on the roof. So we had to go and get Coco another toy. We had to go and get that toy. So then we went to Sonny's, and then we made it back home. And that brisket is, oh, see, I just told y'all what I got from Sonny's, but it is delicious. So but y'all go and take a look at that video. So I'm sipping on my water. Whatever y'all want to sip on, y'all go get y'all something to sip on. Some water, your wine, your whatever, your tea, your coffee. Get you some snacks, and let's get started. And let's see what we got from TEMU. Y'all see what I'm sipping on? Now we're gonna see what's in this unboxing. So welcome to my Sip and See TEMU unboxing. Okay, y'all, happy Sunday. So let's see. So y'all, I have 4 orders, y'all, from TEMU. Yo, I can't resist. Who's gonna resist TEMU? I know I can't. I'm gonna get me a sponsorship in a minute. Even though I got my own brand. Okay, let's see. What we gonna do first? And y'all, I love these. I love these baggies, you know, that they come in. Okay, I love them. Okay, so let's see what's in this one. And y'all, I got everything. It is so vibrant. It is spring ready, summer ready. Okay. So the first thing we got, y'all, I had to get this. Okay. It is a set. Y'all, I like getting sets. That way I don't have to worry about trying to find something to match. Okay, let's see. Y'all see. Let me fix it first. Isn't that cute? Y'all look at that. Very vibrant. Very vibrant. I love it. Very vibrant. Okay. Yes. Okay, and y'all know I got extra large. I make sure I get extra large because I like my clothes to be loose. Okay. Yeah, so this is a mouth and tongue, lips. I love it. I love it. And then, of course, it has the matching shorts to go with very vibrant. I love it. Okay. Yes. Extra large. Yep, these are, yes, extra large. Yes. So yes, I'm getting ready for the summer. And this set was only like $12.99. Yeah, it's $12.99. So you can't resist. You can't beat that. You cannot beat it. You cannot beat it. Yes, so I'm getting me several of these sets for the summer. You can't beat it. Yeah, I can't. Not no whole set. And their quality, I haven't had any problems with anything from TEMU at all. Sure haven't. Okay, let's see. The next thing, y'all, I dyed my hair. What was it? A few days ago. A few days ago, I dyed my hair. Do y'all like my flowers? I love them. These are, I got these from, y'all know these are the Forever Roses. These roses last 3 to 6 years. 3 to 6 years. Yeah. Yes. And so we are recording in my VIP lounge. Yes, we are. So how is everyone's Sunday going so far? Cheers. Clink, clink, clink. Okay. Let's see. Y'all are really going to love this. This was so vibrant, I had to get it. All of my colors is the vibe. Has a vibe by itself, y'all. It's so vibrant. Y'all, look at that. Y'all know y'all want to go and get y'all one. Look at that lion. Look at that. With that crown on the top. Oh my gosh. I had to get this. And I am from the royal tribe of Yahudah, Judah. So y'all know I had to get this. Lion of Judah. Oh yeah. And not only that, guess what? I am a Leo. And us Leos are what? Lions. What? Work it. Work it, baby. Yes, of course this is an extra large. Okay, now this is not a set. This is just a shirt. Okay, but I could get some, I could put any color denims with this. And I'm going to get, y'all know they have denim shorts in different colors. So we're going to do that instead of doing like the some blue shorts. We do like some yellow or some purple shorts, you know? Yeah. Yes. So all these nice vibrant colors for the spring and summer. Yeah. Let's see what we got next. Okay, fashion glasses. Made in China. Yeah, everything is made in China. So do not sleep. Do not sleep on TEMU. Okay. Let's see. These are very vibrant, y'all. These are so chic. These are so chic. These are so chic, y'all. You see them real good. I'm gonna put them out. You know, these are so chic. I had to get them. These are a vibe all by themselves. Y'all. Let's see. And y'all already got some more stuff in my cart already on TEMU. Y'all look. Y'all look. These are so, ooh, these are everything. Look at the vibe. Look at, oh my goodness. The vibration. Oh yes. Oh yes, y'all. Okay. I'm not going to do a try on right now. We're not going to do a try on. I was about to. I was about to. Y'all got to get these. Y'all got to get these shades. Now these are sun blockers. Okay, so even though they don't have the dark tint, okay, even though they don't have the dark tint, you don't have the word. You still are your eyes is protected from the strong sun rays. Okay. Yes, goodness, these are everything. These are everything. Okay, how did this go, y'all? Yeah, because I have another video I have to do, so I'm gonna keep on. I want to put on black as perfect as I can. Okay. So, are y'all shopping? Are y'all getting ready for the summer? The spring is here, you all. Okay, we'll see these right here. And the last item in this bag, y'all, this was so chic. Okay, I told y'all got everything vibrant. Everything vibrant. I ordered this is a boho anklets. Anklets. Oh yes, anklets. Everything is nice and vibrant. I love it. Everything is such a vibe. Very colorful. Very colorful. Yes, I love it. I love all of it. And so we got 3 more orders coming in. Another order is supposed to come in today. So I'll do that video tomorrow. So we'll have at least 3 more TEMU sip and see TEMU unboxing videos this week. So you all make sure y'all stay tuned, and thank y'all for tuning into my video. Y'all please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I'm dropping the videos. And please make sure y'all follow me on TikTok at Zion is right, y'all. Locks. Bye, babes.